Hey everybody, welcome back. Well, today I want to talk to you about this awesome goPure product. This was sent to me, but I'm sure you have all heard of this because it's all over the internet, all over social media. This is the tightening and lifting neck cream. It's really awesome. It's all natural, vegan, dermatologist tested, cruelty-free, gluten-free. It's just an amazing product. It works so well. It has hyaluronic acid. It has caffeine. It's a neck and chest firming cream. So not just for the neck, but for the chest as well. It's really nicely done. I just want to show you inside. Beautiful container, glass jar. It smells really nice. Very slight scent, but very pleasing. I'm going to put some on my neck. You can see it goes on really, really nice. It's not greasy. It's not heavy. I've tried this and I really, really like it. I think it's a really good product. Goes right into the skin. You can see there's no grease. It's just an awesome product. Everyone that tries this loves it, and all the people that have tried this all over the internet and they're posting about it like crazy, they can't be wrong. It's versatile because you can use it on the neck and the chest, so you don't have to worry about getting two things. It's great for sagging skin in both areas. It's really good for the fine lines, and it's a wrinkle filler. It even works on deep, deep wrinkles. It'll combat that sagging on the neck and the chest. It'll give you a firmer, more lifted appearance. I really think this is a great product, and I hope you can see the difference in the befores and afters and really notice. When they sent this to me, I was so excited to try it, and again, I can see why everyone loves it. Hope you'll give it a try, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please come back. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great rest of your day.